Hi friends, how are you doing today? Well, today's video is especially for you as I have something very important and special to share with you, because I'm going to tell you that how you can practice for A777 sitting at your home. Even the students who are planning to score 6.5, A777 or beyond that, they must watch this video till the end. Well, as we all know, GD students prepare for the IELTS exam because they want to move to Canada on permanent basis. Some of you may choose to move to Australia or New Zealand as well. Now, the biggest problem with you guys is that along with job, it's really a daunting task to practice for the IELTS exam. At the same time, you're completely detached from your studies or classroom environment, so it's not easy for you guys to once again sit in the classroom and start practicing. And another big concern is that you have the working hours. Approximately people work for 8 to 10 hours, and then it's really difficult to find an institute that offers training late evening, and once again there would be a hassle involved of traveling to and from the institute. Now, what I'm going to get you introduced with is this thing. This is IELTS GD Success. IELTS GD Success is my video lecture based program that helps you in your IELTS test preparation, sitting at your home at your preferred time and giving you the full freedom to study as per your choice. A complete program encapsulated in 2 weeks. That means a 2-week crash course that comes with actually 1 year validity so that you can study at your own pace. And this program is actually the best program for you to follow to practice IELTS sitting at home. You can see the program is divided into days. As you click on day 1, you will find all the different 4 modules of IELTS: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Now, each and every module will contain the assignments for the day. In one video, I will tell you how to deal with the assignment, and in day 2 videos, I will come up with the explanation of day 1 videos and again provide you new assignments in day 2. The complete study material comes free with this program, and the complete program cost is only 5,000. It comes at a massive discount that you can avail, and the actual price of this program is 8,000 rupees. Now, how this program is going to help you in your preparation. For example, the way you watch YouTube videos, it's your discretion that which video you want to watch, and it's completely your choice for how long you want to watch. Similarly, you will decide if you want to start with day 1 and how many days you want to complete day 1 content. It's quite an extensive program that would be containing approximately 5 to 6 hours of work in each day. So you will decide according to your wish that how much time you have to invest on this. One thing that I would like to tell you here, that it comes in Hindi explanations. That means each and everything that I have elaborated in this program is in Hindi. So I'm really sorry to say that if you do not understand Hindi, this program may not help you that much. But you would be able to follow a structured program. Each day would be coming up with assignment that you can complete, and then continue with the next day getting the sample answers of each and every assignment, comparing your work. It is completely a self-learning program that gives you the freedom to study at your comfort and your time. Now, there would be many students who feel like that this program may not help them that much because they probably do not have that kind of self-motivation to study on their own. They want to be aligned with one of the trainer so that they know the fixed timing to study and they must be evaluated simultaneously. Then we have one-on-one live training for you. One-on-one live training means at a given time, a dedicated trainer is appointed and a dedicated trainer is teaching you only. There would be no other student at a given time, which makes it really comfortable and easy for you to practice. They would understand your level from day one and start helping you to practice to achieve your desired score. For example, you've been scoring consistently 6.5 in writing and not able to improve to fetch 7 band. So you can join us only for one module in which a dedicated trainer would ensure that you actually achieve band 7 in your next attempt of the IELTS exam. The best part is that we are going to offer you the training at your comfortable time. Once again, you decide at what time of the day you want to study, and one of the trainer would be teaching you at that time. That means no matter where you are living, in India or in Canada, New Zealand or in Australia, you can contact us for this live training program, and it would ensure that you get customized training to help you to clear the exam in your next attempt. Now, in this case, even if you do not understand Hindi, it's still okay. Then we will provide you training completely in English, as the explanations would be in English as well rather than Hindi. That was not in the case of that self-learning video lecture based program. I'm pretty sure you have found this video very useful. Now, one thing that you can do is download the IELTS coaching application on your phone right now, and IELTS GT Success program come with free 1-day demo contents. That means you do not have to pay anything at all, and you can experience the program, check the free contents, and if you feel yes, this is something you are looking for, then go ahead and make the payment to unlock the course. If you're watching this video and want to contact me for more details, the WhatsApp number is flashing. In fact, a code is flashing right in front of you. WhatsApp me with this code and text me with your name, city, your band requirement and your previous score, and I will definitely get back to you with more details, and I will better help you in guiding and understanding which program would benefit you. All I can say that if you contact us for your IELTS preparation, it would be one of the best decisions you would have ever made. Thank you very much for watching today's video, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.